Hello, I'm doing another mechanical pencil. This one is from a company called Muji or Magi. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. But this is made in Japan, as you can see. This is a 0.5 millimeter wooden mechanical pencil, as you can see. But I believe it's bamboo. The part that's the sheath is bamboo. This is metallic. This is metallic. And this is metallic. The tip does not retract, so it says, as you can see here, please note that the tip is sharp. So that, yeah. And the lead is from the same company, as you can see. Muji there. And doesn't say made in Japan there, but it might back here. No, it doesn't. But they're known for their the brand Muji is known for their minimalist designs. I like them. I have a pen just like this, except it's not wood, it's metal. I'll go ahead and grab it real quick. As you can see, I still have the sticker on it. The mechanical pencil does come in this octagonal metallic thing, but I thought the wood one, I'd try the wood one just to try it out. It's very light. I like it. I think they come in, I think they only come in 0.5 millimeter. Excuse me. The balance is right there. Excuse me. Yeah. Balance is right there. It's really light. It's pretty comfortable, really thin. So those who have problems with thick pencils, they might like this one. If you like a smaller, it's probably gonna, it might break on you, depending on how you carry it, because it's made of wood. But bamboo is pretty resilient, so you might not have a problem. But fair warning, it's made of wood. There are no other indicators other than the sticker that can and should come off. I don't know how cleanly it comes off. I didn't take off the one on the metal. This has no eraser, as you can see. They do sell block erasers on their website and on their Amazon store, in their Amazon store. Rattle, does kind of rattle a little bit down there, I think. Yeah, a little bit. I don't know how it will affect my writing. It has no other indicators. Just want to reiterate that if I hadn't said it already. Other than the sticker that will be coming off, or not will be coming off, but can come off. I don't know how cleanly, like I said earlier, it will come off, but that's the thing with any of these stickers, as you probably know from my previous videos. But yeah, pros and cons on this one. No eraser, no size or grade indicator for the lead. Doesn't even have the maker's mark on it other than the sticker. There's no, very minimal. So if you do take the sticker off, you need to make a note somewhere of its millimeter and maybe even who made it. Yeah. This lead, I think, no, it doesn't. There's no sticker on the, it does have a 0.5 millimeter HB on there, and that's the lead I have in here right now, made sure. positive that it's this lead and this here. Yeah, let me go ahead and do the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s with this one. And then erase some lines. It does kind of make a sound as I'm writing. Oh, now it stopped. That's weird. Oh, it does a little, like a sound. Yeah, you might be able to hear that. If you're drafting like I do, that can be annoying. Yeah, you may have heard the rattling or whatever. Alright. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. It erased fairly well. The grade of the HB, I think, is fair. I'm not gonna highly recommend it. It's not gonna be in my top 5, I think. But yeah, there it all is. And yeah. Alright, and that was the last video of my 20 mechanical pencils and my 20 different leads. Alright, see you next time.